Does anybody else love Caesar salads? Those salads are freaking bomb. However, I'm egg and dairy free. And you know that Caesar dressing, which is what brings the salad all together, is comprised of dairy and eggs. So here I am in the kitchen to make my own Caesar salad dressing. But of course, since I am the salmon queen, I'm obviously putting a little spin on this. Okay, when I was filming the intro to this video, the finished result was just sitting right below this camera, and I was like, dude, just eat it already. Let's do this. Ooh, creamy. Oh. I'm going in for another bite because it's really fucking good. Now, if you're too lazy to make your own Caesar salad dressing, well then just grab a bottle of Caesar salad dressing, marinate your salmon in it, bake it in the oven for 20 minutes, and bam, you are gonna have your mind blown because it is awesome. Salmon Caesar, baby.